a real canoe right now, on a real river. There's my husband's head.
It's me.
He's
here
here.
you go, YouTubers.
We've been paddling for like 6 hours or something at this point, but we think we finally found land. We are literally on an island. I don't know if it's the given name, but it's Corndog Island, you guys. I don't know if you can see these, but there's corndog plants behind me. I had no idea. I mean, we try to buy our corn dogs locally, responsibly sustained,
non-GMO,
fresh, farmed, not farmed, whatever the good one is, free-range corn dogs. So we brought some free-range buns, and we're gonna get some mustard and ketchup. No, that's not. That sounds. We're off the grid on our private Corndog Island to make baking with Josh and Andrew's wood pot, Southwest, sweet potato, quinoa with chicken. Yeehaw! Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat.
Ah, burning oil on my face. Just a little bit. Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the blue corn moon? I have not. Bam! Emerald, what does Josh say? Does he do zaboomer or anything like that?
Josh definitely says zaboomer every time.
Zaboomer!
Now we need all our canned ingredients. I brought my nature can opener. I bought this at the souvenir shop on Corndog Island a couple weeks ago. We went out for coffee. Do you remember who was there?
You were there.
I was there, baking with Josh and Ange.
Oh, that's right. They were awesome.
They were awesome.
Ange is not particularly tall. The first thing she said to me when we gave a little snuggle was, wow, you're really tall or something like that. And I was like, you are not very tall. So that's the first thing I said to Angela Kenzie when I met her. Because I'm a funny guy.
You know where Angela would be tall? On Corndog Island. Because the inhabitants, well, if we weren't here, she would be the tallest one. How do you get that off there?
The little thing popped off, so you just burn yourself into it.
Oh, that's terrible.
There. I don't know another way.
This recipe says it takes total time 55 minutes. Now, I don't believe Josh Snyder is accounting for canoe time in that, just FYI.
Ooh, look at that. That looks amazing.
All of Corndog Island, every resident that has come out for this meal agrees that it is delicious.
It's bursting with flavor.
Bursting with flavor. If you're planning your next getaway or tropical vacay, I can't think of a better spot. What does Josh say?
Zungaboger. I don't remember. Ziggy Bow.
Ziggy Bow. Cheers.
Schlingenschwarzen. Zungy Bow. 2000.